I will create different shapes, designs to create a decent picture there, make a radical there, angle as well. Let's add a paint around it. I will use the different options. So these are the options we can apply there. Make the decent shapes. I will use some custom shapes.